Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Precious. I am a beauty creator. On this platform, what you will be receiving is everything related to beauty, from hair to makeup to tutorials to everything falls under beauty. Please do not forget to like, share, and turn your notification button so that anytime I post, be notified. This is what we are unboxing today and reviewing today. My list is this F concealer, creamy lightweight feel. Creamy lightweight feel. This is concealer. Also with F soft glam foundation. And we got this high brand gel. Let's unbox the other package. Okay, this is how it is looking. Let's break it out. Oh my god. These are the brushes, and it's so fluffy. And the design is so cute. And we have about 13 brushes here, if I'm not mistaken. We have the foundation brush, everything, and they are so cute. These are the brushes. I don't know if you can actually see it. This is the brushes, and it is so fluffy. Can you see that? And let's test the foundation if it's actually my shade. I'll be struggling to get my exact shade of my foundation. I have about 6 foundations that they are not even my shade. It's either it's too darker or it's too light. So hopefully this is my shade, and this shade is, and hopefully this should be my shade. Hopefully. Okay. Yeah. Hopefully. I think I will be testing it with one hand, then later. I think, oh my goodness, I think this is more lighter. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Girl, yeah, I have finally found my shade of foundation after years of searching. Oh my goodness. Did you even see that? Yeah, I finally found my shade of foundation. I'm so proud and I'm so happy. Of course, this is from F. This is Teal. If you're someone like me who have been struggling, like when I mean struggling to get your foundation right, or struggling to get your skin tone of foundation, girl, search no more. This is it. Girl, search no more, because this is Teal. Like, this is Teal. Can you see that? This is my exact shade. I've been struggling to get my exact shade of foundation. Have you seen that? Girl, go get this for yourself. Yeah, the concealer. So let me try it out, and hopefully this is also my shade, because it is still the same problem that I'm facing with my foundation. Oh my god.